Today we are going to be repairing our CRF450R water pump. This is a whole complete repair tutorial video. This is going to show you how to break it down, repair the water pump seals. There are two. Water pump bearing. You're also going to learn how to replace your water pump shaft. And I'm going to show you to reassemble it the proper way, because it's very important. If you don't put your seals in the right way, it's just going to leak again. So I'm going to show you how to fix that. I'm going to show you how to take everything off. This is taking off the brake assembly, and we're going to go through it step by step. Also, in the description, there's going to be a link to show you a PDF of the shop manual. Okay, so this is the shop manual straight from Honda. So you're going to want to click the link if you just want to look at the basic overview of boom, 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 boom. These are all the steps. It'll show you exactly where all the screws are. This video is more or less going to show you how I tore it down, and then it's going to give you a detailed view of how I'm doing the water pump removal and how I'm putting it back in, and the way you're supposed to put it back in and what you need to do. So go ahead and just keep watching. Thanks, guys. Next, we clean off our shaft and check for any signs of wear. You're going to want to look for banding like you see on our left-hand side. That is not good. You're going to want to replace the one on the left, keep the one on the right. This next part, find yourself a tool that fits perfectly in that hole and give it one good whack. Both your bearing and your seal should fall out. Make sure not to damage your cases. This next step is important because if you don't do it right, your bike will immediately start to leak again and you'll have to tear it down. I already did this. This already happened. So make sure you learn from my mistakes. And put some oil on these seals before you put them in, okay? Just a little bit. It's gonna help them slide in, and when you hit them with that, socket, it's gonna be just a little bit easier to get them in, all right? Use the back end of the socket and just tap around the edges slowly, no rush, okay? So go slow with these seals. Make sure they're going in completely level, all right? Put some cardboard down so you don't damage your casing. I just went ahead and used some boxes that I had sitting around. Next step, let's install our bearing. What I did before this is put in the freezer for about 4 hours. I made it, apparently it shrinks a little bit and it was nice and it fit perfect in that hole. Why you do it is because I did it the first time, just a dry bearing, and it was very hard getting it in there. It seemed like it was just a little bit too big. I don't want to make a joke about that.